sleepless. We've had a nice run. Now I've already said too much. You keep saying how you're numb, so you wouldn't even feel my touch. Please let gravity stay on my side. I can't bear to see your face fall. To me, you have been nothing but kind, so I don't mind taking the blame for it all. People are still asking questions, telling me how this is all gonna be a life lesson. I've never been taught this in any school agenda, so in the meantime, I'll just try to befriend you.